How to turn on and use assistant menu on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings App. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Accessibility. After click on Accessibility, click on Interaction and Dexterity. After click on interaction and dexterity, you will see a system menu is here if you want to turn on and if you want to use. If you want to turn on, so turn on this button. After turn on assistant menu, go back to home screen. So if you want to use assistant menu, click on this four dot icon and you will go use assistant menu from here. So you will see different features and options is here. So if you want to use, this is back. So after using, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on and use assistant menu on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.